How to use AutoDS with Shopify. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best dropshipping platform out there that you can use integrated with your Shopify in the easiest and most simplest way. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to come over to our Shopify dashboard, make sure everything is set it up, and we're going to go over to the apps. So we're going to go to the Add Apps section, and once we go to the Add Apps section, you're going to go to Shopify App Store. Now, once we're over here, what we're going to do is we're going to come up to the search bar and we're going to search up AutoDS. Now, as we write AutoDS, it's going to be taking us to the main App Store page where it's going to bring us AutoDS. Now, AutoDS has two applications, dropshipping and payment on demand, and then you have login for suppliers. Now, the application we're supposed to go with is this one. Now, you can already see that it has a lot of reviews, almost 7,000 reviews with 5-star rating, which is pretty incredible. And you can see all of its features down here. You can save time finding and importing products and fulfilling your orders. You can basically connect it with many providers like Amazon, Alibaba, CJ Dropshipping, Walmart, and AliExpress. And moving down here, you can choose from millions of products to import. You have product sourcing, automatically fulfill dropshipping orders, smart product optimization, and you can also find free courses. Now, this is the plan section, okay? It gives you $27 a month on the basic plan, $40 a month on the starter plan, and $70 a month on the advanced plan. But their features are pretty seamless and pretty nice. But the best part about this is that you can get a 14-day free trial on this. So what you're going to do to use this with your Shopify is click on install. And once you click on install, it takes you through the proper onboarding process. So we're just going to wait for things to load up. And as things are loading in, let me tell you that the products that you're going to be drop shipping are vast. Like there's so many things that you can work on with. Now, I wouldn't exactly recommend using Amazon products because Amazon tends to ban people that use their products for drop shipping, but you can use other providers like AliExpress and you have Alibaba and you have other dropshipping providers as well. You can also go ahead and connect AutoDS using their own website at autods.com. You can see all the integrations that it brings you from Shopify to Wix to Etsy to eBay. But obviously, we're here talking about Shopify, so I'm just going to come back here. And once you're over here, you're going to click on Install. Now, as we click on Install, it's going to bring us to the AutoDS section where it's going to be asking us to register with their account. So to register with the account, you're first of all going to add your email, okay? So here's my email. Then you're going to add your full name, and then you have your password. Now, once we add our password, we're going to click on Join. And as we click on Join, what's going to happen from there is we're going to be set to go, and our account is going to be properly created and onboarded. Now, from here, it's going to bring you to the pricing section where it's going to ask you to choose your pricing. You can obviously start now for absolutely free. Let's say I'm going to go with the basic plan. And once you do that, you're going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to take you through the payment options where it's going to be asking you your credit card details and all the other things. So just add your credit card. Obviously, it won't bill you until the trial ends. So you can cancel the AutoDS, you could say subscription before actually the money gets cut from your account. So it obviously depends on you on the type of look you want to go with when it comes to working with AutoDS. Now, moving on, what we are going to be doing is once we've installed AutoDS, it's going to be available in our apps section. Now, when it comes to using AutoDS, let me show you how it's actually used when it comes to working with Shopify. AutoDS gives you a vast amount of providers that you can get on their main dashboard, okay? And that's the best part about AutoDS. You're going to get a whole dashboard on the left-hand side where they're going to give you the privileges of adding the products. So you can add all these products into your store. And once you import them into your store, obviously they're going to be appearing right here in your products section. And from this section, you can actually apply them to your very own store. These are the best things about AutoDS. And obviously you can go ahead and check out AutoDS's very own functionalities on their main website, which is AutoDS.com. AutoDS.com also gives you the different providers that you can use with the different suppliers. So you have suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, Banggood, Caesar Dropshipping, Walmart, and a whole lot more. Now, you get an interface like this where you can do a proper product research. Okay, you can go to different marketplaces, add in different filters, and get different types of products to gain. And there's different products for different niches, and all those niches give you the top ranking products out there. So, for example, what's in the market nowadays? Let's say there's this fitness tracker watch, you have wireless Bluetooth earphones, you have portable humidifiers, coffee maker. So, different things to get. And the product import will also give you a good price of shipping and good rates to work with. It's also fulfilling that it helps you fulfill your orders where you can buy it off of Amazon and then sell it onto your Shopify. You can also monitor your prices through the analytical section. You can source your products back to any external link as well. So these are the great things that AutoDS is providing you. Now, the best way to describe AutoDS would be through this diagram. So what it does is it takes products from these providers. So there's Etsy, Walmart, eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Home Depot, Costco, Banggood, Target, Costway. And once it takes these products, it stores it and it sends it out to these providers like eBay, WooCommerce, Etsy. You have Amazon Marketing, Wix, Facebook, Shopify, and a whole lot more. You can also create a business account with AutoDS that helps you not only sell but grow your very own business as well. So these are the different things that you can do with AutoDS. Now, moving on, the pricing of AutoDS is also quite good to go with its features because most of the dropshipping platforms generally give you prices that are not well off when it comes to, their actual recurring features. So if we switch off to Shopify, first of all, import 200, where you can import up to 200 products per month, and you get the product research tool, which is really good for your SEO and it's really good for a high ranking sellout niche. Okay. And you have Draft Manager where you can create drafts, Order Manager to actually manage all your orders and fulfill them, Product Manager, Product Image Editor, Product Variation Support, where you can create variants out of your products with different colors, different sizes, different fragilities, and a whole lot more. And you can also get print on demand products. Now, print on demand products right now are huge in the market. Tons and tons of providers are using them. So AutoDS actually provides you proper print on demand support as well. Don't have to go ahead and use Printify or Printful. You can get all of that into your AutoDS capabilities. And moving on, you have other plans as well, like Starter 500, where you can get up to 500 products into your store with, you know, better and more features than import 200. And then you advanced 1K, where you can import up to 1,000 products per month. Again, pretty incredible and pretty trustworthy to use. You can also add these add-ons onto AutoDS like auto ordering system, which is basically an automated tracking number where it automatically orders things from your fulfilled orders. You have VA access. Now, VA access is basically a team access or a manager that automatically streamlines your work. Product finding hub where it scours products on the actual market. And then you have mentor, which is a guide for your drop shipping. So these are the things that you're going to want to keep in mind when it comes to working with AutoDS and Shopify, and this is how AutoDS will be added to Shopify and how you can use it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making more for you. Till then, that's all from me. Have a great day, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.